Good morning, students. This is test paper number 4 for class 12th, subject English, and the syllabus of this test paper is chapter number 1, the third level from your book Vistas, and writing skill topic, invitation writing and replies. Children, you are supposed to start answering this test paper at 10 a.m. and you will be taking 1 hour to complete this, and make sure you are sending your answer sheets to my email ID sharp by 11 a.m. I wish you all a very good luck for this test paper. In this test paper, you have 2 marks questions, 1 mark question, 1 6 mark question, and 4 marks question for invitation writing. So here is your test paper. Start attempting it and send me the answer sheet by 11 a.m. positively. All the best. Have a nice day.